Alright guys, we are going to be doing our reading comprehension today. Today we're going to read about a phone call, and then you guys will have to go to the live worksheets and answer some questions, and you guys have to sequence the events. If you haven't done this in a while, so it will be a little bit of a review. Alright, remember, like usual, we will read this 3 times through just to make sure that we got all the things we need. Alright, so the phone call. The phone kept ringing. Lucy finally got off the couch to answer it. It was her grandma who lived in Canada. Lucy was so happy to hear her grandma's voice that she talked with her for an hour. She missed her grandma a lot. Then Lucy went outside to play with her cousin, Isabel, who lived next door. The 2 girls played for a while, then Lucy went back inside to do her homework. Alright, so that's the first time. So let's decide what we need to answer. So we got to figure out who Lucy talked to on the phone, and then where did Lucy's grandma live. And then the 3rd time through, we'll talk about the sequencing. Alright, so the phone kept ringing. Finally, Lucy got off the couch to answer it. It was her grandma, so we need to know who was calling her. And it was her grandma who lived in Canada. We also need to know where she lived. Perfect. Lucy was so happy to hear her grandma's voice that she talked with her for an hour. She missed her grandma a lot. Then Lucy went outside to play with her cousin Isabel, who lived next door. The 2 girls played for a while. Then Lucy went back inside to do her homework. Alright, so that's alright. Alright, so now we need to figure out what order all the sequence or events went in. So we got to figure out 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So there's Lucy talked with her grandma on the phone. Lucy went inside to do her homework. Lucy got off the couch. Lucy went outside to play, and the phone rings. So we got to figure out which one of those things happened first, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, and 5th. All right. So the phone kept ringing. So that's the first thing, right? The phone kept ringing. Oops. And then finally, Lucy got off the couch. All right. So to answer it, so that's the second thing that happened, right? It was her grandma who lived in Canada. Lucy was so happy to hear her grandma's voice that she talked with her for an hour. She missed her she talked with her. I think that's important. I think that's what happened next. She talked with her for a while, right? And then she missed her grandma a lot. Then Lucy went outside to play with her cousin Isabel, who lived next door. So I highlighted who she went outside to play because that's kind of what she did next, right? And then the 2 girls played for a while, and then Lucy went back inside to do her homework. All right, so that's our 3rd try. So if you guys go over to live worksheets, you guys will be able to answer those questions. And this is a drag and drop one, guys, so you'll have to just drag and drop wherever it may be, okay? All right, guys, good luck.